Welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we're taking you on an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour to witness the entire process of tulips farming. The first step in the process involves unloading the crates filled with freshly harvested tulip bulbs. Tulip bulbs are the underground storage structures of tulip plants. When planted in the ground, the bulb develops roots and sends up a flowering stem. The bulbs are unloaded and placed onto a conveyor belt, which transports them to the sorting area. The belt moves at a controlled pace, cleaning any debris and dead stems attached on the bulbs. As the bulbs move along the conveyor belt, skilled workers stationed along the line inspect them for various factors. They carefully evaluate each bulb's size, shape, color, and overall appearance. Workers check for any signs of damage, disease, or deformities. Bulbs that does not meet the required standards are set aside for further evaluation or discarded. These bulbs are carefully sorted based on their size and appearance to ensure uniformity. Meet the bulb planting machine, a remarkable invention that are designed to streamline the process, allowing for efficient and accurate planting on a large scale. As it moves forward, the machine automatically performs various tasks, including digging trenches, deploys the mesh and places the tulip bulbs at predetermined intervals, and covering them with soil. While the machine handles the mechanical aspects of planting, the presence of skilled workers is still crucial. They monitor the process, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and stepping in when needed. Using machines for tulip bulb planting offers several advantages. Firstly, it significantly reduces the physical labor required, saving time and resources. It also enables precise and consistent spacing, resulting in more uniform growth and easier maintenance. As technology continues to advance, we can expect further innovations in tulip bulb planting machines. Researchers and engineers are constantly working to improve efficiency, accuracy, and adaptability to different cultivation practices. Planting tulip bulbs with mesh using machines offers several advantages. First and foremost, it significantly reduces the time and labor required for manual planting. The mesh provides structural support to the bulbs, minimizing the risk of displacement or damage during weather events. However, it's important to note that machine planting is not without its challenges. Different soil types, varying bulb sizes, and field conditions can impact the machine's performance. Regular maintenance and calibration are essential to ensure optimal results. To ensure successful growth, planting tulip bulbs requires careful consideration. And now, with the introduction of mesh planting machines, the process has become even more efficient. On average, it typically takes around 2 to 4 weeks for tulip bulbs to sprout, and for shoots to emerge from the soil. As the tulip stems grow taller, leaves start to emerge. As the shoots emerge from the soil, they are in a vulnerable state and can be more prone to fungal infections. So farmers use fungicide sprays as an additional line of defense. The choice of spray depends on the specific fungal disease and its severity. Fungicides such as chlorothalonil, propiconazole, and mancozeb are commonly used to combat tulip diseases. The spray solution is prepared by diluting the fungicide in water according to the manufacturer's instructions. farmers ensure the correct dosage and mix the solution thoroughly to ensure uniform distribution of the active ingredients. To apply the fungus spray, farmers use tractor-mounted sprayers for the efficiency required for effective coverage. Proper irrigation plays a vital role in tulip farming, providing the necessary moisture for healthy growth. One of the common methods used in tulip farming is sprinkler irrigation. Sprinklers are strategically placed throughout the fields and are connected to a water source. When activated, they release water in a controlled pattern, simulating rainfall and covering a large area. Finally, the long-awaited moment arrives. The tulip flowers begin to bloom. In just 10 to 13 weeks, the buds unfurl their petals, revealing a kaleidoscope of colors and delicate shapes. The duration of tulip blooming can vary depending on various factors, including the tulip variety and environmental conditions. Generally, tulip flowers can stay in bloom for about 1 to 2 weeks. The first flower that emerges from a tulip bulb is known as the king or mother flower. It is usually larger and more robust than the subsequent flowers that bloom from the same bulb. By removing the first flower, farmers can ensure that the subsequent flowers on the stem will receive more nutrients and energy, resulting in better quality blooms. Tulip farmers often aim for uniformity in their flower crops, especially for commercial purposes. By removing the first flower, farmers can encourage the remaining flowers on the stem to develop more uniformly in terms of size, color, and shape. This creates a more visually appealing and marketable product. While cutting the first flower may seem counterintuitive at first, it is a practice employed by tulip farmers to enhance the overall quality, uniformity, and productivity of their crop. The sorting process begins with freshly harvested tulip flowers arriving at the sorting facility. The flowers are carefully transported and prepared for the sorting machines. These machines are designed to separate the tulip flowers. They swiftly sorts the tulip flowers into different categories, such as size and quality grades. Once the tulip flowers are sorted, they are carefully fed into the machine, which delicately handles each bloom. The machine wraps a protective sleeve around the stem, securing the flowers in an upright position. Throughout the sorting and packaging processes, quality control is paramount. Expert staff members monitor the machines and inspect the tulip flowers to ensure that only the highest quality blooms make it to the final packaging stage. Once the tulip flowers have been sorted, inspected, and prepared, they are ready for their final packaging. These beautifully sorted and arranged tulip bouquets are carefully placed into boxes or sleeves, ensuring their protection during transportation and display. This thoughtful packaging enhances the overall presentation and ensures that the tulip flowers arrive at their destination in perfect condition. Temperature control is critical when transporting tulips, as these flowers are sensitive to heat and cold. Specialized transport vehicles equipped with temperature-controlled systems are employed to maintain an optimal environment for the blooms. Tulips, with their vibrant colors and graceful petals, are adored by flower enthusiasts around the world. These flowers have a rich history and a captivating allure that continues to captivate us today. the tulip plants have gone through their flowering phase, and their leaves have started to wither. This signals that the bulbs are nearing maturity and ready for harvesting. Harvesting machines are brought in, specifically designed for efficient bulb extraction. This machine's equipped with digging blades or diggers that gently lift the mesh and the bulbs from the soil with mechanisms that aid in the bulb collection process. This gentle extraction process helps minimize the risk of bulb bruising or breakage. The bulbs are carefully stored in crates or containers, ensuring proper ventilation and protection. They undergo a period of conditioning. When the time comes to distribute the tulip bulbs, they are carefully packaged to protect them during transportation and handling. Proper temperature and humidity levels ensure that the bulbs remain dormant and viable until they are planted. The packaged bulbs are then transported to dedicated storage facilities where the farming process cycle is repeated.